We begin tonight with the latest on coronavirus concerns. Today, Governor Gina Raimondo reiterating she is not considering a statewide lockdown or a shelter-in-place order at this time. This as 12 more people were diagnosed with coronavirus overnight, bringing the state's total number of cases to 66. The governor and state health leaders again calling for donations of medical supplies like swabs and personal protective equipment. If you'd like to help, we have a link on our website with more information. Meanwhile, in Massachusetts, we're learning about the first cases reported in Fall River and New Bedford, where our Brittany Schaefer is standing by. And in Rhode Island, there were no sweeping social mandates announced today, but Governor Raimondo did say she could announce further restrictions in the coming days, particularly because many of Rhode Island's cases are still connected to travel.
The direction for the people of Rhode Island is avoid gatherings with more than 10 people.
Governor Gina Raimondo calling this weekend and next week critical in controlling the spread of coronavirus.
Obviously, if you go into a workplace and there's more than 10 people in a large building and everybody can be separated by 6 feet, wash your hands, and no cafeterias, then that is appropriate.
The governor says she's balancing mandates to socially distance with potential impacts on the economy, saying she's considering a move to close hair and nail salons, something Providence Mayor Jorge Elorza did in his city yesterday. This as restaurants, which were ordered to suspend dine-in service, can now sell takeout wine and beer. The governor also detailing Saturday an executive order to extend the turnaround time for background checks for gun permits from 7 days to 30.
This is a result of a uptick in the amount of firearms being purchased in the past month, but also because the police departments that are conducting these background checks are facing operational challenges with meeting the number of personnel to patrol, and also because non-essential personnel has been working from home.
On Saturday, the state announcing 12 new cases of COVID-19, men and women ranging in age from their 20s to 70s. 3 are hospitalized. Department of Health Director Dr. Nicole Alexander Scott says an eventual death from the virus in Rhode Island is not out of the realm of possibility.
And I want to help people understand the reality of what we are dealing with as a country.
The governor and state health officials not yet ready to say how many Rhode Islanders could be infected, adding more testing is necessary.
So it's not that we are withholding any information from members of the public, but I don't want to give you anything that isn't accurate.